The LRDI section is essentially puzzles. The puzzles can be based on how do you arrange things, or they can be like a Sudoku like puzzle, or they can be kind of like a grid puzzle. So there are different puzzles that you have to solve. Now you have to essentially say that how do I learn to solve puzzles? Puzzles is rather a niche quality, right? It's not a proper ability like quantitative aptitude. It's not like maths. It's not something that anybody has learned. So what we did is that we went through all the questions that were asked historically, and we've tried to identify the type of puzzle that was essentially asked. And we see a trend. What is the most asked puzzle type? What is the most asked question type? There are 4 questions or 4 types that are most commonly asked, which are puzzles. So this includes quant puzzles, Einstein's puzzles, and enumeration puzzles. Okay, these 3 types are asked many times. I would say with a high frequency. Arrangements, this includes linear arrangement, circular arrangement, or arrangement across levels. Asked multiple times. Many times there is arrangements and puzzles together are asked. Almost one set definitely comes in the actual CAT. One puzzle or arrangement comes in every single slot, every single year. Consider this tables and charts. Tables can be table with missing values, which is kind of like Sudoku. If you see a Sudoku, you will get a partially filled table, right? Something similar is given. A partially filled table is given, you have to fill in the remaining values. Or what they will give you, they'll give you one table and a chart, and you have to combine the information from the table and the chart to arrive at the answers. Or they will give you 2 connected tables which you have to combine and find the answer. So every single time you have to basically combine or fill answers based on information that is given in either a table or a chart. Charts are line charts, bar charts, pie charts, bubble charts, radar charts, all type of charts are there. Basically, you should know how to read each of the charts and convert it into a table. If you can read multiple types of charts and convert them into a table, you are more or less set with all of this. So essentially, if you consider just these, okay, puzzles, arrangements, tables and charts, every single year, 2 sets come from this, 2. So out of 5 sets, there are 22 questions, of which there will be 3 sets of 4 questions each, so that is 12 questions. And there will be 2 sets of 5 questions each, so that is 10 questions. Together it is 22 questions.